that answer for Diablo on turn 2 or 3, it's just so unfun. Just watching, and it's made doubly worse by the fact that he's always paired in discard decks. So I don't know. That's my opinion. Like all their justification fits for Diablo 2, but like he escaped. All right, I'm gonna ink. I'll ink the president, and I'll pass.
All right. Draw.
Like that's the thing. Like if you're gonna nuke Sapphire's best draw engine, I think the other colors, like then touch other people's draw engines too.
I'll ink
Lord.
Ursula, Deceiver, and pass.
Draw for a turn.
Oh wait, did I draw for turn last turn? 1, 2,
I don't know.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, I have 8 cards. Or
I'll ink a Grandma Tala. I'll play a Tippo. I'll ink this. I'll pass to you.
alright. Draw.
Oh my gosh, dude! If he Ursulas us, we're in a bad situation. We're in a bad situation.
I'll ink Sudden Chill. Play more for 2. And pass to you.
All right, I'll draw for turn. Interesting. I will ink a Grandma Tala. I will pay 4 for Grandma Tala. Look at the top 2. That's curious. Sure, we'll put this one just to the bottom. And then... oh, quest for 1. Pass.
Draw.
Right now, in this specific deck, this is my Ocean Waves deck. He never used Hiram. But in my other deck, it's Whole New World right now. Whole New World and Grandma Tala's and Beast. Sad Beast. That's what I'm trying anyway. If I can establish Cogs and Aerial...
I'll discard Hypnosis to shift Morph into Diablo.
Lord, this is the future. This is the future, boys, right here. If we can get to Whole New World, we'll be okay.
Diablo will... Diablo will sing Let the Storm Rage on Tipo. And draw. I'll pay 3 for a Prince John and pass to you.
Draw. Oh man, that's... damn it. We just hope he doesn't play Ursula, basically, or he can't dump our whole hand. Ink Aerial. Let's play a Cogsworth. Quest for 1. Pass to you.
Draw.
Yeah, I'm sorry, man.
Oh, ink more.
Again, I'm honestly more upset about the 4 discard.
Cards in hand?
I got 3.
How much?
I got 3.
Oh, you got 3. Alright.
Yeah.
Diablo will sing Sudden Chill. Oh, you discarded one already? Draw for Prince John.
So far, 3 and 1. This is game 5.
I'll pay 3 for yeah, pay 3 for hypnosis. I draw for hypnosis, and I draw for the Prince John. And
Oh
then
my gosh, please, please, please. Just let Whole New World live. Please.
pass turn.
Praise God. Draw for turn?
Draw for Diablo.
Sure thing. Let's ink all is found. How many cards in hand?
5.
Alright, Whole New World. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then, are you gonna? How much are you drawing with Diablo?
So right now I drew 7 for mine, and I'll draw 7 for Diablo with you.
Sure. We're about to, dude. We're about to do the freaking dirty.
4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah,
All right.
7.
Nice. Very cool. I'm going to pay 5. Shift in Grammatala. Whole New World. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much are you gonna draw with Diablo?
7.
Please feel free.
Nah, I learned my lesson the first time around.
All right. All right. Very nice. Very nice. All right, your turn.
Oh my goodness. Draw return.
That's right.
Ooh.
You want to abuse that damn bird? I'm gonna punish you, dude.
Oh, ink Diablo.
Okay. He's about to have a bad time his next turn. Well, I don't know. We still need a little bit of
I'll
time
pay 3
for Arrow to come
a
online.
Deceiver of all.
Very good.
And then I'll pay 2 for a Deceiver, as I can see my hand. Let's get rid of. Let the Storm Rage on.
Sure.
So these two just came out. This Diablo. This Diablo will sing Sudden Chill.
Okay.
And I draw for Prince John. And then pass to you.
Draw for turn. Would you like to draw for Diablo?
No.
Let's have a Grammatala seeing how far I'll go. That's interesting. So this to hand, this to inkwell. Gain a lore because I put something in my ink. Let's think a friend like me. I'll do 5 for Cogsworth. Do we whole new world again? Can I survive 3 cards? I think. I don't know. That seems a little risky. Yeah, what the hell? Whole new world.
bruh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap 1. Mulan.
7. And I'll draw 7 for the Diablo for your draws.
Sure.
Six, 7.
How many cards are in your deck?
60.
16?
No, 60?
No, left in your deck.
Oh, that. Oh, you won't count. Oh, not much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay. That's interesting. Let's see. Mulan. So I'm going to trigger Mulan. I'm going to draw a card.
See, my hope is.
And then I'll discard this. Pass to you.
Alright. Draw.
Yeah, I mean, he either rips out the whole new world and we win that way, or Jafar is going to be a menace next turn. Like double Cogsworth? Dude, like what is he going to do with double Cogsworth? There's like nothing Emerald Steel can do against double Cogsworth. Man, Ocean Waves is the future, dude. I don't know. What the hell? This is like crazy.
Three for a Diablo.
Nice. And this is just like so worthless. This is like it's like at this point, like why? So we're gonna try to wipe his board with Jafar on principle.
2 for a Ursula Deceiver.
Mm-hmm.
We'll get rid of a whole new world.
Sure thing. It won't matter.
And then 1 for Ursula's Trickery.
What's that do?
So each opponent may choose and discard a card. For each opponent who does it, you draw a card.
Oh, that's fine. You can draw. I'm not gonna discard.
And then I will.
I'm totally fine with that.
One of these Ursulas just came out. I forgot which one.
Yeah, it was the middle one. I mean, I think just one of them's new.
Just one of them.
I was like, bro, I'm the discard
Quest
deck.
With that one.
You got 5 cards left in deck, buddy.
2 lower. 1, 2.
I mean, if he moves at this snail's pace, it's like he's just gonna lose, right? Wow, that's a cute card. Though. I think all his removal's like gone. I think it's just like I think he
pass to you.
very good. Draw for turn. Okay, nice. We'll get to have a little bit of fun here. Let's do 5 for Jafar. I can guarantee you've never seen a card like this. So Jafar's effect, every time I ink on my turn, I can ping 1 damage. So let's see. Let's start by having Cogsworth, seeing how far I'll go. Look at these cards. 1, 2, 3. Put this to hand. This to. Wait, no. I should probably do the opposite, right? Yeah. Okay. This to Inkwell. This to hand. All right. So I gain a lore because I inked with Grammatala. Jafar, I'll ping 1 damage onto your ready Diablo. Let's go ahead and ink Tippo, gain a lore, ping 1 damage, I'll kill Diablo. Let's have Cogsworth seeing how far I'll go. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Sadly, it came out too late. Put this to hand, this to Inkwell. Or I'm sorry, to the bottom. Yeah, it goes to the Inkwell. Sorry. Okay. Gain a lore. Ping 1 damage onto Diablo. Grandma Tala is going to sing Friend Like Me. Both of us ink the top 3 cards of our deck into our Inkwell exerted. 1, 2, 3. I gain 3 lore from Grandma Tala. And then Jafar will ping 3 damage, and I will do 1 to Diablo, and then 2 more to the Ursula, the Deceiver of All. And then I will do 3. I'll cast Let the Storm Rage on. I'll finish off Deceiver of All. Draw a card. Quest for 1. Pass to you.
Alright. Draw.
Yeah. This Friend Like Me would mill him.
I
I was 1 ink off, dude. It's so sad. 1 ink off. I think he literally like can't win anymore, right? Like how does he even finish the game? How's he gonna quest to 20 by the time?
I'll pay 4. 4 for the Muses.
Very good. Bounce my Mulan, do it. I'm telling you, nothing felt as good as having him draw 14 cards and then shifting Big Grandma and singing
5.
Another Whole New World. Oh.
To play,
Oh.
we don't talk about Bruno.
Felt so
let's
good.
do it to your Grandma Tala. Or does she have ward?
No, she does not have one. So.
Oh, okay.
All right.
You know what that one is, right?
Yeah. So I'm gonna mix these up, and then 1 through 5. Just pick a number.
This
is
with
1.
3.
3. Okay.
Yeah.
Let it go.
Let it go. Let it go.
Do you want to draw off John?
No.
Are you sure? I've definitely milled out some decks before.
I know. Oh, the secrets have been spilled. I know your game. I'll pay 1 for. Oh wait, actually, this activates. Oh yeah, that's the only.
Yeah, it's your only target. Unless you want to target one of your Ursulas, you can target one of your Ursulas. Actually, you can do your Prince John too. You can do your characters too. So.
No. Let's do your Mulan.
Hey, what's up, Hooded? Sorry, Hooded. I think you're the new sexy girl on the
I was
town,
gonna pay
man.
the 1 ink
I think Diablo.
to play.
I think Diablo's gonna be
Diablo.
very everywhere.
Chinpo.
I hope you like Friends, sir.
Alright. And then these will quest for 2. Pass to you.
Draw for turn. Let's do 7. Grandma. Quest for 2. Quest for 2. Quest for 1. Dang, we can't quite get there, but that's okay. We will ink a Chenpo, gain a lore off Grandma. Tap 1 Mulan. Draw a card. And I don't know, it doesn't really matter. Discard a card. I'll pay 2 for Chicha. I'll do 5. Friend like me. Both of us ink the top 3 from our deck. 1,
Ah.
2, 3.
I ran out. I was only able to put 1.
That's a bloody shame, bruv. I'll pass to you. Would you like to draw your card?
I lost.
You didn't know you were playing a blue steel mill deck, did you? GG's, man. GG's.
I wasn't expecting the what's it called, the chances of you pulling what's it called, a whole new world back to back was so, like, I don't know. I just assumed like
let this be a reminder. Always think twice about the Diablo greed, because this is not the first time I've won doing that. So always think twice. Be like, do I really need the 7 more cards? Because it's it just as much can bite you in the booty. Just be careful. Careful there, my friend. All right, I'll see you around, my man. Take it easy.
Yeah, see ya.
Can be happy as a clown because I'm beautiful, baby.